Opening a Demat account for Forex trading isn't standard practice, as Forex trading primarily involves trading currencies, which are not held in a Demat format. However, if you're interested in trading currency derivatives like futures or options, you may need a Demat account. Here's a guide. Research and choose a broker. Look for a reputable broker that offers currency derivatives trading along with Demat services. Ensure the broker is registered with SEBI. Complete account opening form. Visit the broker's website or office and fill out the account opening form. Provide personal details, financial information, and identification documents as per KYC norms. Submit documents. Submit the required documents, including PAN card, Aadhaar card, proof of address, and passport-size photographs, along with the account opening form. Verification. Your documents will be verified by the broker as part of the KYC process. This may take a few days. Fund the account. Once your account is opened and verified, you will need to deposit funds to start trading. Most brokers offer various deposit methods, including bank transfers and online payment gateways. Start trading. With your Demat account funded, you can start trading currency derivatives through the broker's trading platform. Familiarize yourself with the platform's features and tools and develop a trading strategy. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated with market trends, economic indicators, and global events that may impact currency prices. Continuously educate yourself and refine your trading skills to improve your trading performance.